The tool that I'm going to talk about is Answer Garden. It's a very basic feedback tool. You simply ask a question, embed the question on a website, and use it to poll your classroom. This tool is free and it doesn't require an account. To create an Answer Garden, you click the plus sign. When you do, this page comes up. In this text box, you simply type your question. Then you scroll through these options. You can either choose, I would either choose Brainstorm or Classroom. Classroom um, allows respondents to submit an unlimited number of answers, but they may only submit each answer once. Brainstorm, on the other hand, allows them to submit unlimited questions and they can keep submitting the same answer over and over and over. So I'm going to keep it in Classroom. You can choose the length. You can limit them to 20 characters, allow them to 40 characters for their answer. You can add a password, and then you could enter your email address so that you could get that password later in case you forget when you want to edit your question or you want to get rid of unwanted answers. You could turn the spam filter on or off. Turning it on detects and removes common unwanted answers. Given that we're going to use this in the classroom, that might be a good idea to leave it on. Then you determine the length of time that you would like to broadcast your Answer Garden. An hour, a day, a week, or whether you want to keep it hidden. I'm going to leave it at a day. When you're done, you press create. This is what your Answer Garden will look like. If you would like to share that, meaning you want to embed it in your website, that's what I'm going to do. So you click on share down here, brings up these options. I personally want to share it. I want to embed it into my website. So I'm going to come down here and copy this web address. And then I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to upload that link. And when I do that and make it active, I can go to my website and the students could click on this link. That will bring them to my question. And here you can see these answers were already entered. So they can enter their answer. So another characteristic. And then if you scroll over these, you can see that uses energy was entered once, grow, answered once, reproduce. So you can use it to assess knowledge, but you can also use it to vote on something like what do you want to do next in class, or which questions in the homework do you need to review. Brainstorming and authentic learning experiences are collaborative outcomes that could possibly be used with Answer Garden. It could be used to survey a group to determine opinions and understanding. It could also be used to come up with new ideas. In the social presence model, I could see this being used by a teacher to determine student knowledge and experience for a particular topic. This could also be used to build emotional connections among group members and to create a sense of community. Students would be anonymous. They could state their opinions, but they may realize in doing so that they share some of the same ideas or opinions with others, so that would build community. I would personally use this as an activating strategy at the start of a new lesson to get students to connect with prior knowledge on a topic. It could be used to check for understanding, possibly to poll the class for questions, because there are times when students won't ask a question in class because they don't want to look stupid. Here, they may not feel that pressure. They may be able to ask their question anonymously. And that would be a good thing. For the purpose of collaboration, I think Answer Garden has very limited uses.